Welcome aboard, everyone, to another exciting episode here on Boats Yacht. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into the world of Mare Houseboats, a name that's been making waves across Europe and beyond. Whether you're a seasoned boater or just dreaming of a life on the water, this review is for you. We're going to explore why Mare Houseboats might just be the perfect floating home for your next adventure. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's set sail into the key features, design, interior, performance, and unique selling points that make these houseboats stand out. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the key features that define a Mare houseboat. These vessels are built with versatility in mind, offering both floating and stationary options to suit different lifestyles. With over 500 units already cruising waters in many European countries, Mare has established itself as a trusted name since 2010.
The houseboats come in various sizes, ranging from the compact Apart XS at 8 meters long with a 15 square meter living area to the spacious Apart XXL, stretching 15 meters with a generous 49.5 square meter interior.
Usable space can expand even further with terraces, some models boasting up to 150 square meters when you include these outdoor extensions. They're designed for rivers, canals, lakes, and even coastal waters, with a CED certification ensuring they meet safety standards.
Key components include polyethylene floats for durability, a galvanized steel support structure, and options like twin outboard engines or bow thrusters for easy maneuvering. For those looking to go off-grid, many models can sustain themselves for up to 3 days with features like solar panels, 400-liter water tanks, and 8 battery systems. It's this blend of practicality and innovation that makes Mare a go-to choice for water enthusiasts.
Now, let's shift gears to the design, where Mare really shines with its modern aesthetic and thoughtful engineering. These houseboats are a feast for the eyes, combining sleek lines with functional layouts that maximize space and comfort.
The exterior often features a smooth, streamlined hull with options for personalization, including a variety of colors and materials for the floors and walls. Think 20 color choices for flooring and over 1,000 wallpaper patterns. The rooftop deck is a standout, offering a private terrace perfect for soaking in the sun or stargazing, while the lower deck includes aluminum or stainless steel railings for safety and style. The use of solid wood and aluminum windows not only adds to the durability but also gives a contemporary edge. Some models, like the Nordic line, boast large glazed fronts that flood the interior with light and extend the living space to the terrace. Insulation is top-notch, ensuring comfort even in winter, and the overall construction with rotomolded pontoons promises a lifespan of at least 100 years. For anyone who loves a boat that looks as good as it performs, Mare's design is a clear winner. Moving inside, the interior features of Mare houseboats are where the magic happens for everyday living. These floating homes are fully equipped to feel like a cozy apartment on water. Take the Apart L model, for example, with its 26.6 square meter living area that comfortably houses 2 to 4 people.
You'll find a well-appointed kitchenette with a 2-burner gas stove, a built-in 230 volts refrigerator, and plenty of storage, perfect for whipping up meals while cruising. The bathroom is a highlight, featuring a spacious shower, a special electric toilet, and a vanity with a sink and mirror, all designed with elegance in mind.
Bedrooms vary by model, with options for 1 to 4 sleeping areas, each benefiting from large windows that bring in natural light and scenic views. Comfort is enhanced with air conditioning, electric heat, and even heated floors in some versions, while a 2 kilowatt split system and photovoltaic panels keep energy use efficient. The attention to detail extends to customizable furniture and lighting, allowing you to tailor the space to your taste. Whether you're relaxing after a day on the water or hosting friends, the interior feels inviting and practical.
Let's talk performance aspects, because how a houseboat handles on the water is just as important as how it looks or lives.
Mare houseboats are engineered for stability and ease of use, with a draft as shallow as 0.3 to 0.45 meters depending on the model, making them ideal for navigating shallow rivers and canals. The Apart L and XL models come equipped with twin outboard engines, often Yamaha 25 horsepower high thrust options, paired with hydraulic steering and a bow thruster for precise control. This setup allows for smooth sailing and the ability to moor easily in marinas or private docks without needing permits in most locations, thanks to their vessel classification. The CED certification means they're built for inland and sheltered coastal waters, offering a top-notch safety margin. For those opting for the barge version, the focus shifts to stability over speed, perfect for a stationary lifestyle. Off-grid capability is a big plus, with solar packages and battery systems supporting up to 3 days of self-sufficiency. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Le Mare's performance ensures a stress-free and enjoyable experience on the water. Finally, let's dive into the unique selling points that set Le Mare Houseboats apart from the competition. One of the biggest draws is their investment potential. Beyond being a personal retreat, these houseboats can be rented out, with a payback period of 6 to 7 years compared to 11 to 14 years for traditional properties.
This makes them a smart financial move for those looking to earn income while enjoying their investment.
The customization options are another standout, letting you pick everything from engine types to interior finishes, ensuring your houseboat feels uniquely yours. Durability is a key factor, with robust construction and high-quality materials like closed-pore foam floats and galvanized steel frames, backed by Le Mare's 14 years of experience and over 500 units sold. The eco-friendly angle also appeals, with sustainable materials and solar power options reducing environmental impact. Plus, the lack of permit requirements in many areas adds convenience. For anyone seeking a blend of luxury, practicality, and profitability, Le Mare Houseboats offer a compelling package that's hard to beat. That wraps up our deep dive into the world of Le Mare Houseboats here on Boats Yacht. From the versatile key features and stunning design to the cozy interiors, solid performance, and unique selling points, it's clear why these floating homes are turning heads. Whether you're dreaming of a weekend getaway or a full-time water-based lifestyle, Le Mare has something to offer. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more boating content, and drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about living on a houseboat. Until next time, keep exploring the waves, and I'll see you on the water. Fair winds, everyone.